Hi, welcome to another video. So, the suits in Washington have finally done something. They just passed the Genius Act, which is the first real piece of crypto legislation in the US, and it's all about stablecoins. Now, if your eyes just glazed over, stick with me. This is a much bigger deal than it sounds, and it's going to create some massive opportunities for those of us who are paying attention. For years, stablecoins have been like the Wild West. You had some good guys, like USDC, and some, well, let's just say some not-so-good guys. Remember the Terra USD collapse? Yeah, exactly. The problem was a total lack of clarity. Are they securities? Are they commodities? Nobody knew. But the Genius Act changes that. It basically creates a clear set of rules for US dollar-pegged stablecoins. So, what does this mean? It means issuers have to be licensed. They need to hold one-to-one reserves in high-quality assets like cash or short-term treasuries, and they have to prove it with regular audits. This is huge. It takes away the guesswork and tells the market, hey, these things are legit. Now, why should you, the pragmatic investor, care? Two big reasons. First, this is a massive green light for big institutions. Banks and large fintech companies that were scared to touch crypto now have a regulated, predictable way to get involved. They can issue their own stablecoins, use them for payments, the whole 9 yards. This is going to bring a tidal wave of money and legitimacy into the space. We're already seeing stablecoins process trillions in annual volume, rivaling traditional payment networks, and this is only going to accelerate. Second, and this is the real opportunity I see, is what this does for DeFi. So, DeFi, or decentralized finance, is basically a parallel financial system being built on the blockchain. It lets you do things like lend, borrow, and trade without needing a bank. And what's the lifeblood of DeFi? You guessed it, stablecoins. They are the stable unit of account you need to do anything serious. With regulated, trusted stablecoins, DeFi is about to get a major upgrade. Think about the global Forex market. It's massive, but it's also old and clunky. DeFi can do it better, faster, and cheaper. We're talking about swapping different currency-pegged stablecoins on-chain almost instantly with super low fees. This is a multi-trillion-dollar market that's ripe for disruption, and platforms that figure out how to build the best on-chain Forex swaps are going to be huge. Now, a lot of this sounds complicated. You've got different types of stablecoins, you've got the whole DeFi ecosystem, and now this new layer of regulation. It can be a lot to wrap your head around. Honestly, just keeping up with which stablecoins are legit and which ones are risky is a full-time job. And that's why I wanted to talk about a resource I've been working on. It's a course called Master Stablecoins. Now, I think that this free course is genuinely valuable, and this course is really good. It cuts through all the noise. It starts with the absolute basics, like what a stablecoin even is and why you should care. It covers the different kinds, the ones backed by securities like USDT, and the ones backed by actual currency like USDC. It even does a fantastic breakdown of the Terra Luna collapse, which is a masterclass in what can go wrong when the model is broken. What I really like is that it connects the dots. It doesn't just explain the tech, it shows you the opportunity. There's a whole lesson on how to spot the blockchains and DeFi protocols that are best positioned to grow from the stablecoin boom, especially with things like Forex swaps. It's all about positioning yourself to take advantage of this next wave. The course is super practical. It's not a dry academic lecture. It's for people like us, investors who want to understand the landscape so we can make smarter decisions. So if you're looking at this new Genius Act and thinking, okay, this is big, but where do I even start? This is your starting point. Don't get left behind on this. Understanding stablecoins is no longer optional. It's fundamental to navigating the future of finance. Check it out in the description. It's a fantastic way to get up to speed and really understand the moving parts of this market. Overall, it's pretty cool.